All right, if you have a living air purifier and you think it's not working, don't go away. All right, everybody, as promised, this is a Living Air 880, and I have had this for more years than I can remember, and over time, it has not been producing the air quality that I want. I've done the cleaning of the back and the plates. Well, I did some searching online and found out that these plates here, the ozone plates, actually do have a lifespan. They do wear out over time, even though you would not think they would, just being, a non-mechanical moving item. So I've already unplugged this here. I've already taken these latches to the side, so I'm just going to pull this out. This is a single plate machine, so this is just going to slide right out. And all I'm going to need to do, and this is why I unplugged, because I'm going to be putting in my hands in here to slide this new item in. So I do have to move the connectors out of the way, so they're going to hold that in place. All right, so that's all that is to setting that up. So I'm going to put this back on, because if you don't, there is a switch right here. It will not run without this on the back. Now, as far as cleaning these until they go bad, you can clean these and this. I just use water, warm or hot water. If you do use a little bit of soap on this, check the plates that you have to see what kind is good to use. I've used dish detergent. However, you have to make absolutely sure beyond 100% that all of this is dry before that's placed back together. So I'm going to pause the video for a minute. I'll be right back while I plug this in. All right, obviously I am now back. I have resumed the video. It's plugged in, so I'm going to put everything on the lowest settings. The problem I had before is that I had to turn the purifier up to the absolute highest setting to get any effect out of this. All right, so fans coming on. And you might even be able to hear the ozone, so we'll try. Okay, now I've barely turned it. I can already hear it, whereas I was not able to hear that ozone plate before. All right, now I'm going to pause the video one more time because I want to show you something you want to be very careful of. So bear with me for a moment. All right, I'm back. No, I'm not going to show you my Wonder Wash again. All right, this is one of the plates that I got in. And when I put this first one in, I had a little bit of trouble and made a slight mark. You can see it right there at the top. Now, the problem that causes, if I turn it up too high, that's creating a connection and causing an arc between this and this. Now, fortunately, the plates are not very expensive. However, I'm going to go online to see if there is a way that I can cover that so they're not creating that arc, because this is a brand new plate. So I would stress, when you put that in there, you saw both my hands in there putting that plate in pretty slowly. You don't want to rush that plate in, again, because this caused a little bit of problem with the first one. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, as you can see, this is the Living Air 880. And again, if you like the video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe.